Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's been a real muggy day today. It's hot. It's kind of smoky in the air. I think it came down from Canada, that's what I'm told. But it's been a heck of one. So I thought it'd be a little bit cooler right now to go ahead and re-chill this. While I was at it, I went ahead and sprinkled some sawdust that had chicken manure in it. Just because I had to get rid of it anyway. So we'll chill that on in. Anyway, so I think it's level, and we'll find out after I chill it one more time, and then I guess we'll make rows with the corn and see what happens.